take a look at our satellite and radar. You can see those scattered showers across much of California this morning. As we take a closer look at our pinpoint Doppler live, you can see some scattered showers over our mountain areas, but it looks like the best chance for those showers is going to be in the afternoon hours. This is Sunday at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We have that large cell there all the way from our South Bay and Chula Vista heading into Ramona. But it looks like on your morning commute tomorrow, we will be dry, which is some good news there because we do have more rain on the way, but we'll be dry Monday and Tuesday. How much rain have we seen? Well, over the past 48 hours, we've seen a little bit over 1.25 inches in Palomar Mountain, a little bit more than ½ an inch in Pine Valley, less than ½ an inch in Valley Center, Vista, Fashion Valley, about 1/10 of an inch in Chula Vista. How much more rain can we see from these scattered showers? We're not expecting to see too much at all, about 1/10 of an inch or less in our coastal and inland communities. Most of that rain is probably going to fall in our mountain communities. What I do want to bring attention to is those wind gusts. We've seen them sitting tight at about 40 to 50 miles per hour in some of our mountain and desert communities. Right now they're sitting at 43 miles per hour in Ocotillo Wells, 29 miles per hour in Mount Laguna. By tonight at 7 p.m. it's going to be 40 miles per hour in Ocotillo Wells, 41 miles per hour in Julian. As this week persists, they'll start to slow down, but our peak wind gusts, we've seen isolated gusts of 70 miles per hour in the Pine Valley area last night, 67 miles per hour in Boulevard, 48 miles per hour in Julian, 36 miles per hour in Otay Mesa. Those are quite fast there. If you haven't already, secure that outdoor furniture and make sure that if you are on the roadways, take it slow because the roads are slick and we have those gusty winds that are going to shake your car as you're driving down the freeway there. We also have a high surf advisory in place. That's going to last until tomorrow morning. We're expecting to see the highest surf today, waves anywhere from 5 to 7 feet. Taking a look outside right now, not too much visibility out of our Chula Vista, Poway, and Palomar Mountain sky cams. Lots of cloud coverage though out of our San Diego sky cam. You can see temperatures are sitting in the 50s along our coastline this morning. 53 degrees right now in Oceanside, 43 in Warner Springs, 56 in Borrego Springs. We're going to be in the low 60s along our coastline and in our inland communities, 42 in Julian, 65 in Borrego Springs. We're looking at the low 60s in our coastal communities over the next 7 days. Today's temperatures, we're looking at a high of 62. This is below average for this time of year. Lows are going to be in the 50s. In our inland communities, looks like we'll warm up to the mid 60s by Tuesday. Then we'll drop a few degrees there as that next chance for rain makes its way into San Diego County. Our mountain community having that chance for rain Wednesday and a slight chance for snow showers on Thursday. We'll continue to track that and pinpoint that to see if we will see that. Lows will be in the 30s and 40s there. Deserts looking at the 70s.
All right.